Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to set up your Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. So right out of the box here, we get this instruction manual, and going to step 1, it says plug in your Echo Dot and wait for Alexa to say hello. And it's actually a pretty straightforward process here, with steps 1 and 2 being the most important and the one that I'll walk you through in this demonstration video. So we're going to obviously take our power adapter here, and we're going to plug one side in to the wall. And then we're going to plug in the power cord here to the back. And then it says a blue light ring will begin to spin around the top. In about 1 minute, Alexa will greet you and let you know how to complete the setup with the Alexa app. You must use the items included in the original box for optimal performance. All right, so...
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
All right, so I already can tell that the speaker on this generation of Echo Dot is much better than the second generation, but going on to step 2, we're going to download the Alexa app. It says download the latest version of the Alexa app from the App Store. The app helps you get more out of your Echo Dot. It's where you set up calling and messages and manage music, lists, settings, and news. After you open the Alexa app, if you are not prompted to set up your device, tap the device's icon in the lower right corner of the Alexa app to get started. So the next step of this video, I'm going to take you over to my phone screen and walk you through how to download the Alexa app and set up your new Echo Dot. Over on your phone, you're going to need the Amazon Alexa app. So if you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store. If you're on an Apple device, then go to the App Store and launch it. And then we are going to go ahead and search for Amazon Alexa. So we're going to click Amazon Alexa, and I've already installed the application, but on this page, you're going to go through and install Amazon Alexa. And then you can open it right there in the Google Play Store, or you can just find the little icon on one of your either homepage or other pages on your smartphone device and launch Amazon Alexa. Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick note at this point in the video. It didn't ask me to log into my Amazon account since I already had an Amazon Alexa application and logged into it in the past. But if this is your first time, you're going to have to log into your Amazon account to go to the next step. And then we're going to be adding our Echo Dot. So on the bottom right-hand corner, we're going to click that little house icon. I want to make another note at this point in the video. It's not taking me through an automatic setup since I've already set up Amazon devices in the past, but as soon as you get into your Amazon Alexa, it might take you through an automatic setup instead of having to click that little home button in the bottom right-hand corner. And then we're going to click Echo and Alexa. And then I'm going to click my one Amazon device that's not currently online, and that's the one named Echo Dot 3rd generation. And yours is probably going to be named something different, probably your first name followed by Echo Dot. And then Wi-Fi network, we're going to click change and begin Echo Dot setup. So we're going to go ahead and click continue. And then it says, obviously, plug your Echo Dot into the power outlet. After about a minute, when the light turns from blue to orange, tap continue. So we'll tap continue. And for whatever reason, it's having an issue with me connecting to my Echo Dot automatically. So it's asking me to manually connect to it. So now I'm going to go to my Wi-Fi settings in my phone, and after connecting your phone to Amazon-XXX, and it's not going to be X's, it's going to be different letters and numbers, return to this page and we'll continue. So I'm going to go into my internet settings. And there it says Amazon TFN open. So I'm going to click that and then click connect.
You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
All right, and my Echo Dot just said that I successfully connected, so now I'm going to go back to the Alexa application. And it says continue Echo Dot setup, so now I'm going to click continue. And then it's going to ask which Wi-Fi network you want to set up with. It's obviously going to be different for you than me. Mine's called Frontier 22. And then please wait while we connect your Echo Dot to the internet. This may take a few minutes.
Your device is ready.
Right. Your Echo Dot is online. Your Echo Dot is ready for use. And then I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And that's pretty much going to wrap it up, guys. After you go through that setup process, you should be hooked in to the internet and your device should be ready to go and work when you need it to. So thanks for stopping on in for this setup video. Hope it was helpful. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you back here for future videos.